Okay, so how to overcome adversity if your crypto wallet got hacked? So what's up peeps, this is Jeff aka Nomad Fury and we're back once again for another weekly news crypto video. And by the way, I would like to fully disclose that this video is sponsored by no other than newscrypto.io, where it is the best place for money-making decisions in the crypto world. So it is an all-in-one crypto ecosystem covering everything from education to industry-leading proprietary trading indicators and tools. So all you have to do is to simply go to their official website at newscrypto.io and explore their one-of-a-kind platform for crypto traders and enthusiasts around the world. And not only that, they have their state-of-the-art non-custodial mobile wallet and their next-generation mobile app that is currently available for Android and iOS users. Now listen guys, I know some of you have experienced getting hacked before in your cryptocurrency wallets. No matter if it's small, decent, or even big amounts, it hurts, you know. I understand how you feel because I've felt the same way too, especially that I was hacked a few days ago. Around $12,000 worth of my assets in 3 wallets combined are being drained by the hacker because of the malware that I didn't know after I fell off on the hacker's antics. Until now, I still haven't really moved on from that. Despite that I tried my best not to get hacked since the day I began my crypto career, but that streak already ended. 12,000 USD is not easy to get back. But I know one day it will happen, even if I want to do it in a scratch and claw way. I was supposed to have bigger plans, but this one tiny mistake leads to the demise of my crypto wallets. And what happens next is what we call adversity. When it comes to adversity, we will be experiencing continuous emotional pain, especially when you're using a lot of crypto like me. Now, since we all know that it cannot be reversed anymore because of the blockchain technology, we have nothing else to do to get it back. The thing is that these hackers doesn't care which wallet you own, even if it's the newscrypto non-custodial wallet or the next generation mobile app. And also they don't care who you are, whether you are popular or not, or just being a simple guy. If we're not careful on what we are doing or not learning how to adopt the second thought mentality, for sure you will be an easy victim, just like what happened to me days ago. Alright, so how can we overcome this adversity? First, you gotta learn how to accept it and move on. No one is exempted from getting hacked even if you are being extra careful, because these hackers are also learning from their mistakes and moving on to their next grand strategy. If you learn how to accept it, that's the very first step. It's not going to be easy, it's not going to be instant, but it's going to be absolutely worth it in the long run. Because if you cannot accept it, you're not in a position to move forward. As you cannot move forward, you're going to remain in full depression and anxiety, and it does not give you any benefit at all. So how can you make that money back if you don't accept it and not moving forward? As you slowly accept it, you now learn how to move forward and avoid that mistake again. Now, as you move forward, the question is on how you get that crypto back that you've lost from the hacker. I don't know what position you are in right now, but if I were you, I would like to look for some more opportunities along the way. That means multiple streams of income, not just sticking on what you have right now. If you have a stable job, then that's good, but one income source is not enough. If you want to recover yourself from getting hacked, start expanding yourself by doing more gigs and other stuff on the side that would give you extra income. Go for something that you are more passionate about. Learn more skills that would let you turn it into a service for clients. Upgrade yourself. Think outside of the box. Don't delay. If you want it so bad, you gotta have some sort of motivation and some fire within you. I know that the emotional pain that we have after our wallets have been hacked is trying to hold us back and draining us right now. But of course, the only way for us to get over it is by starting to move forward, having this sense of urgency and doing whatever it takes for us to finally recover. Take it one day at a time. It's not going to be easy and instant, but doing it slowly but surely would give you some enlightenment, and one day you will be experiencing unexpected blessings along the way. And one more thing, I came across a video with the title "Losing Everything is the Perfect Opportunity" by Arash Azami on TED Talk via YouTube. I've watched that video myself and it inspired me to get back up on my feet again, starting over and keep doing what I love, especially for newscrypto. So no matter what your struggles are after experiencing your wallet getting hacked, just learn how to accept it and keep moving forward. Because you're getting nowhere if you keep whining, complaining, or not accepting the loss. Hopefully you guys have learned something from me in this video, and let's hope for the best. So if you think that this video is so helpful, kindly share this to your crypto and non-crypto friends out there. So what do you think about this video of mine? Do let me know right here in the comment section. Did you enjoy watching this video? If yes, I would like to thank you for this. And if you want to stay updated regarding my latest videos, interviews, and giveaways, just hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And also you could follow me on my official social media channels. Alright, I guess I'll see you guys on my next video.